Use these keyboard shortcuts to zoom in and zoom out. In the browser, for zoom in a web page, press Ctrl and plus key. Then press Ctrl and minus key to zoom out of a web page and use the numeric keypad. If we want to reset the zoom level or back to the default view in the browser, press Ctrl and 0 key on the keyboard. Besides, we can use mouse and keyboard both for zoom in and zoom out in the browser and MS Word. We will hold Ctrl key and scroll the mouse wheel up and down to zoom in and zoom out in the document page. Would you like to know more interesting information? In this channel you will find engaging facts. If you like this video, visit to this channel and type the comment in comment section. If you found that this tutorial helpful, do like and subscribe. Watch other tutorials by IQIT Krishnenda channel. Thanks for watching.